Looking for the top ductless mini split heat pump contractor in Poughkeepsie, New York? There's just one name to top your list: Aire Serv Heating and Air Conditioning of Mid-Hudson Valley. Accept nothing less than the best Poughkeepsie ductless mini split installation company. Why? Because a lot can go wrong in the hands of an inexperienced ductless installer. The first and most important step is to hire a ductless contractor with credentials. Aire Serv has 16 years of experience, is a Mitsubishi Mini Split Installation company, a Central Hudson Trade Ally, and is a registered contractor with NYSERDA and the New York Clean Heat Program. Aire Serv serves the Mid-Hudson Valley area and has trained and certified mini split installation experts that will match the right unit to your needs, ensure proper product placement, and provide a professional mini split installation. Find out how you can heat and cool one room, one area, or the whole house with a Mitsubishi single or multi-zone system. And remember, the most important day of your ductless mini split heat pump's life is the day it gets installed. Who will you turn to? The experts at Aire Serv of the Mid-Hudson Valley, of course. They're a Mitsubishi Mini Split Installation company serving Poughkeepsie, New York. Call 845-419-1124. You'll be glad you did.